Mountman Mini Split Air Conditioner Review. Is this heater AC worth it? Looking for a compact climate control that handles both cooling and heating? The Mountman Mini Split Air Conditioner heat pump delivers on that promise. But is it actually worth your investment? Let's find out. The Mountman Mini Split is a ductless inverter system available in sizes like 12,000 BTU and 18,000 BTU. It comes with heating, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, all controlled via a convenient remote and energized by eco-conscious R32 refrigerant with a strong 19 SEER rating. It even includes features like sleep mode up to 26 decibels, eco mode up to 30% energy savings, auto defrost, self-cleaning, and an installation kit right out of the box. Reviewers love its fast cooling and near silent performance, even praising the self cleaning and auto defrost as standout conveniences. One source named it best for large rooms among non inverter options because of its smart feature and compact form. Users say the included installation kits with pre charged components make DIY possible, though professional installation is still advised for best results. Trustpilot style Reddit discussions highlight that while mini splits are efficient and quieter than window units, installer support for lesser known brands can be limited, emphasizing the importance of setup from trusted HVAC pros. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Its pros include having excellent energy efficiency with eco-friendly refrigerant, ultra-quiet operation and multiple modes, maintenance-friendly, self-cleaning, washable filters, and auto defrost. Covers a solid room size of up to 1,250 square feet, depending on model, and inclusion of installation kit can lower upfront costs. However, it's a relatively unknown brand, limited warranty, and service network. Installation still requires skilled setup for long-term reliability, mixed experiences on online support, and parts availability. So is the Mountman Mini Split worth your money? Yes, if you're seeking an efficient, feature-rich inverter split for medium-sized spaces and can manage the installation wisely. But proceed with caution. If serviceability, brand reputation, or after sales support matter most, you might prefer investing in more established names. That's been an honest review of the Mountman Mini Split Air Conditioner review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.